Our millennial mamas, millennial parents, we making chicken and broccoli Alfredo, okay? But we got to do it fast because we have gymnastics practice and soccer practice tonight. So we got to be out the door by like 5:10, you feel me? Get you some chicken breasts or chicken thighs. I'm using chicken thighs because they're juicier. And I know the kids are not going to eat all of them, so I would like to save them for the next day, okay? For lunch or whatever. Get you some broccoli. Just rinse off the broccoli, cut it up, whichever broccoli you choose. Toss it with some olive oil and some salt and pepper. Put it in the oven. Let it go at 400, okay, until we're done with this. Season the crap out of your chicken, okay, because that's what's going to help bring out the flavor in the Alfredo, okay? I use garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, adobo. I think that was it. Just those. Just those is fine. I also use fettuccine noodles with this, okay? I don't care what type of pasta you use. Use whatever pasta your family will eat. My family will eat any type of pasta, damn near, okay? Learned, too, while I've been cooking in the kitchen for a while now, that you should use pasta water whenever you're making something with pasta. I didn't know that, but now we know, and I'm passing it on to you, okay? Butter in the pan with some garlic. I added some pasta water, and then you just saw me dump the rest of my half and half that I use for my coffee in the pot. It's okay. I'm going to get some more. It's all good. Okay. Add some adobo and some salt. I mean, not salt. Don't salt it. Just some adobo and some pepper and some garlic powder. Okay. The same seasoning you use for the chicken, because this is going to help season the sauce. Okay. I know real Italians don't do this. I'm sorry. I'm not a real Italian. I'm a real black woman. Okay. I like to season my food. I like to season the crap out of my food. Okay. Mix that up, whisk that up. Make sure you have a pan that is not going to scrape, okay? Because you don't want to mess up your pan. You don't be eating your pan while you're eating your food, okay? Add you some milk as you go, okay? And then you're going to add a couple handfuls of Parmesan cheese. I have Parmesan Romano cheese, but when you do this, and I've had to learn very quickly because I hate messing stuff like this up, but also this is not a perfect recipe. This is not a perfect Alfredo, so please don't quote me. I'm just here to show y'all how I made mine real quick, and surprisingly enough, everybody ate it, okay? I put the cheese in there, took it off of the burner for a little bit because the burner was really hot and I didn't want it all to separate. But it's still kind of separating, okay? We're learning together. Do that a couple times until you get it to the consistency that you want it to and the flavor that you want it to. Add more seasonings if you need to. And then we're going to plate all this food because we got to go. We got to get out the door, okay? I got to make 7 containers worth of food, okay? The 4 are for the children. The small red one right here is for the baby. And then the 2 bigger ones are for mom and dad. When I tell y'all we be on the road for spring season, okay, I'm not playing. I love it because the kids really like their sports. And I love it that they have their own individual sports because they're not all the same. Like we got somebody in gymnastics. We got 3 of them in soccer. We got 1 in baseball. Last season we had 2 in basketball. We've done swim before. We've done... What else have we done? We do golf. Like, we be all over the place. So anytime that I know we're not going to be home to eat dinner, I like to pack up the dinner for them and let them eat it at whoever's practice it is. Whether it's outside, most times you can't really eat in the school gyms inside, but especially when we're outside because the kids can do what they like to do. They can eat a little bit and go run around and come back and eat a little bit and run around. And I don't really care. If your food get cold, your food get cold. That's your prerogative, okay? I don't want my food cold. I'm going to sit right here and eat up my food until it's gone. You feel me? But going to practice and whatnot, pack your kids dinner. It just makes it easier on you. I know it's a lot of work, but it makes it easier on you because they're being fed and they're also doing what they want to do. They're running around, letting out energy. And by the time they get home, they can shower or take a bath and go to bed. Okay, and like I said, this Alfredo is not perfect. It's quite liquidy, but I found that when I use heavy cream, my family don't really like it. But I'm also trying to cut back on my grocery bill, so we just stick them with milk and half. Love you guys.